so here I am. I hung up my little bike. This is a bike that I DIY'd. So I just hung it up here. I painted the basket a little bit more white. I added that little summer tag, some flowers, and I tried to find another plate from Hobby Lobby, but they didn't have any more, so I did get this sign from Hobby Lobby as well. Thought it was really cute. Okay guys, when I walked into Walmart today, I seen so many florals. I got all these florals here and they were all $2, and I'm going to show you. I got all these as well. They were $2 each. Let's start with the ones that are in here. And you know, when you guys come up on florals, they're just so pretty. These were 97 cents for summer. So I picked up a couple of those. Then I got these for $2. Look how full they are. They're just so thick. Okay, so these and they were $2, and look how thick and they are for $2. We all know we love to decorate with the farmhouse look with these, or just any kind of greenery. So I got those. And then these were so pretty to me. Look at these. These as well were only $2. No, not even $2. It's called a Fanny Rose, $1.47, $1.47. So I picked up a few of those. They're just so pretty. Then along with those, I added these. It says lamb ears for $2 as well, and you get 2 little pieces of those. And look how pretty they look. So as you can see, I grabbed another one of these for $2, and I grabbed 2 more of these beautiful flowers for $1.47. Look how pretty these are, and they do look realistic. So this is my little flowers. I think it's still, the pink would go so adorable. Oh, and I don't really care what the middle looks like, because I'm gonna add the sunflower to it and a little piece of greenery. This is what I have right now. What do you guys think? I'm not one for doing wreaths, but beginner here. So that's kind of how it's turning out, but I kind of want to add a little bit more to this side. So I'm kind of, let's just add a little bit more and just leave it like that, guys. Not too good at it. I really want to trim the bottom, but my scissors aren't all that. So this is my wreath that was outside. I did take some flowers off, and I think I'm going to add some sunflowers on. This is the wreath, and I'm going to add sunflowers and maybe something in the middle. And these are the flowers that I just took off this one. 50% off, so that's kind of what I'm putting on this wreath. This is kind of how it's looking. Just adding the little sunflowers on the wreath. I just wanted to show you, when you use an old wreath, you don't even gotta glue anything. You just, I left these little greenery here, so all I gotta do is put it on there without even gluing it, so I could reuse this wreath. So I went ahead and took one of these off, and I did paint it white, and this is what it looks like. And I am going to be adding some letters to that, some Dollar Tree letters to put in my little tier tray. Guys, this is real life. Where's the birds when you need them? My sunflowers fell, and I thought I'd share with you guys real life. So I have decided to add a little bit of flowers to my little mat outside. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I don't know if I should add 4 or just this.